guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing fine. Look, it's a sunny day, even though it looks like as if I'm cracking up. Yes, my cap and my fluffy pajamas. It's cold. It's a weekend, by the way. So this morning I want to cook as usual. I cook on Saturdays for Sunday, and I'm meeting up with my secondary school friend today. Ooh.
I'll open this with biscuit.
Bring it. Oh, you already opened it.
Yes, I already opened it.
Nice. Take.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Finish it. Oh.
Okay.
By the way, guys, Zane loves chocolate. He loves anything chocolate. See, this biscuit is from Walker's. It's a Bulgarian chocolate biscuit. Just so that I should open it for him. He loves chocolate. Zane loves Oreos. See, anything chocolate. Count Zane in. He will clear it for you.
I like my house. This. I like the biscuit chocolates.
Biscuit chocolate.
Let's do my house this. Open over stem. On this one though. On this one.
I just want to grill this turkey. By the way, are you team grill the raw turkey or boil first before grilling? Or boil and fry? Which do you prefer? For me, I've just boiled it. I won't fry it. I'll grill it instead.
Instead?
Yes. Look at how rich this stock is for my rice. What do you want?
Plantain chips.
Which one? This one. This plantain chips now.
I'm plantain chips.
Let me give you the right one.
The right one. I'm the right one.
No, this is it.
This is
This is it. Let me bring fish. Yeah, calm down. What do you say? You're welcome.
Look at my plantain chips. And now,
this food I'm cooking is basically for me and my husband. Zoe and Zini eat spaghetti because I have plans. Every time, no spicy. Because of them. This one I want to cook it to my satisfaction, as spicy as I want and as fishy as I want, because I know that we'll both enjoy it together. It's been long I had spicy food, you guys, because of these children. And yet, when you make it to their taste, the spice level is okay, they'll still not eat. So for how long? This time around, I decided to be selfish and cook what I want. Still making provision for them, actually. And that's why they'll eat spaghetti. This turkey I'm grilling, oh my goodness, it's taking me back to Lagos. Because even myself, in the cold, I'll be sweating from the level of pepper inside this turkey. I hope my husband will be able to cope. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I should put pomo. No, I'll not put pomo. It's just strictly fish. Crayfish. Ah, I can't wait to eat this rice tomorrow. My goodness, what I have been craving. Spicy, delicious, and fishy. Can't look at the camera while sucking your hand. You don't want to taste? You don't want?
I'm this one.
This one is pepper sauce. You see? He doesn't even want to taste. You see?
He's knocking.
Yeah, Mama is back.
That's the key.
How are you? How's tennis?
Good.
How many did you win?
Which one?
Okay, you went for practice. Nice. Then close the door, come.
Look at my dada.
See that? This button is not working.
This one,
The button is not working.
this one, and this one.
See the button?
Good one.
This one? Let me have one.
Oh, yeah.
Let me try.
No. That was good.
No! Not the one from your mouth.
This is that green chips, Abby.
Well grilled turkey. Look. Crispy. Ah. Good. Enter pepper. No, it's not the green one.
Is that pepper?
Yes, pepper. It's the ripe one. Stop it. You say?
Dada?
The sun is out. I've just gone outside now to the backyard and it doesn't look, or it doesn't feel as cold as earlier on, but it's better to be safe. I know one here say, what happened? Do I even need a watch with this? My anywho. I have this very heavy, big pimple. I don't know if you can see it here. It's paining me here. It looks like all this pimple that is not ready to burst. Nothing inside, but it's just very painful. And I've not eaten. Let me catch myself leaving home without eating. So maybe I should just pack it. Yep. This is the way forward. Ish. Zoe was saying she wanted to follow me. I should just go back from tennis. So, and they are playing now in the room. Just a good time to hurry up and run. I'm leaving home so late and the bus is coming in. And the bus is coming in a couple of minutes. I hope I miss it. I hope I don't miss it. What the Bible say? I hope I don't miss the bus. I don't think I'm meeting my friend again because change of plans. So I'll just go and do my runs in the city center and I'll be back home. Going out on Saturday at times can be a hassle. The crowd, people are everywhere, everybody is outside. Oops. I just finished from Primark and I'm going to the perfume store. There's this perfume I've been wanting to get by the fireplace. I've used it before, but I've been craving it. I love the scent so much, so I'm going to check it to see if I can buy one for myself today. They don't have, but the lady directed me to John Lewis. She said they have a stand there, so I'm taking a chance to go and check. Christmas is here already. A lot of Christmas things. What? Yes. Okay. Thank you. So I'm at the stand now, and you guys are confused. I came to buy the fireplace, but I've seen variety of Maison's products or Maison's brand, and I'm confused. Maybe I should just stick to my buy the fireplace or try others, or I should just buy like the little mls, like 20 mls, buy 3 of them, different types, making it 60. The candle smells heavenly. Oh my goodness, I'm tempted to take it. This is bubble bath. It smells so nice.
Okay, you're very welcome. It is a 100 ml. Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. This is my first time entering John Lewis, and I didn't want to come out, to be honest. I got what I wanted, my perfume, and I'm so excited.
What is that?
It's back. Uncle Leo.
Thank you, Mommy.
I don't reach out soon. I'm already eating.
That's me.
No time. The hunger.